I mean, the news today, like there's a storm outside. Ireland's gone into lockdown. Loads of other places are going into lockdown. So I'm bringing back, yes, the daily cookery videos. Are you with me? Give me a dancing girl icon below if you're excited about this. I'm going to cook for you guys every single day. We are going to make this a happiest lockdown that we can possibly make it by cooking delicious, nutritious, easy, stress-free recipes from my new book.
Woohoo!
You know that this is the book that I wrote during the last lockdown, and I'm kind of excited now that I can share it during this lockdown, because this is all about stress-free, delicious, easy recipes to cook. The first one I'm going to show you how to make is my prawn laksa with rice noodles. It's on page 124. For those of you who pre-ordered the book, thank you. And it'll be in your doorsteps next week, which is very exciting. But I'm going to show you how to make this now. I love making this dish like on a day like today, because I don't know, when there's like such grim news outside and you want something bursting with chili flavors, this is all the wonderful flavors of Thailand, and so it kind of transports you. There's no much effort like required to make this, and so it makes it all very stress-free. So on goes your saucepan, casserole dish or a regular saucepan. Pop in a tablespoon of olive oil. Then next I'm putting in some sliced chili. Sliced chili, and I've got to use my happy spoon. This is actually Al's happy spoon. Al,
You can borrow it.
Where'd you get it, Al?
I'm not sure. ClaireMcKenna.com.
I'm putting in the chili slice like that, and it's going to stay like that, so you get lovely bursts of it when you're eating it. Okay, the next thing that I'm putting in is Thai red curry paste. And this will bring out all of the amazing Thai flavors that we love. So basically, if you're missing your holidays, you used to go to Asia, maybe this will really help transport you, taste-wise, I mean. Okay, next to go in is the vegetable stock. And that goes. And then next I'm popping in coconut milk. So all these are really easy store-covered items, right? Stock up on these guys. Stock up on coconut milk. Stock up on really good quality vegetable stock. That will really, help when you want to cook things fast. Coconut milk, there's so much flavour to so many things like dals that we're going to be cooking in another couple of days. We'll definitely be cooking a couple of curries over the next couple of weeks, so you'll need your coconut milk for that.
Will you take requests, Clodagh, for recipes?
Definitely. Requests, come on in. I will definitely take requests. Okay, next goes in the fresh prawns. We're gonna cook those. And then I've got rice noodles. So if you can't get rice noodles, but every supermarket across Ireland, the UK, Canada, wherever it is you are, you'll be able to get these now in the supermarket. But if you can't get rice noodles, you could use egg noodles as well. They just take a little bit longer to cook. So I'm popping those in. And then I'm going to pop in some lovely fresh coriander. I know a lot of you don't like fresh coriander. It has been told to me before that a lot of you don't like it. So you could use flat leaf parsley instead if you want to. Then I'm going to put in some broccoli. So as it is, it's perfect. That's the way I do it in the book. But if you want to add in some greens, you could add in some spinach. You could add in some broccoli that I've sliced up. You could add in some pak choi, like I've done in the photograph of the book. Whatever greens you want to put in. You can put in some frozen peas. And you can also make this vegetarian and vegan if you want to. You could pop in some aubergine in here. You could put in some like grilled halloumi on the top of it. Would be absolutely delicious too. You've got a nice stir around.
How do you know when the prawns are cooked?
How do I know when the prawns are cooked? Very good question. They turn pink. And if I was in Ireland right now, I'd definitely be looking for some lovely Dublin Bay prawns, but whatever they've got like in your supermarket. Okay guys, now I'm putting in 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. Now this will really add that gorgeous Thai flavour, that wonderful, intense fish flavour to it all. Okay, season it up. Some lime juice. For the juice of 1 lime. If you don't have any limes, you can use lemon. That would be fine too. I'm going to squeeze those in. Don't throw away your limes. You can use them in your dishwasher just like you use your lemons. Okay, squeeze that in to get that lovely fresh flavour. Guys, have you checked out our new website? So we launched a new website last week, and it's got really amazing things like, guys, you know the hens, they're very happy, by the way, they all say hi, they've been laying away like crazy, about 5 a day. And yes, we've done a whole these new sections up on the website, how to keep hens, what I'm planting in the garden right now, what you should be planting in the garden right now, how to plant a tree, all these things that you can do during lockdown to keep you nice and busy, keep that mind active, keep healthy. We've also got 5 ways how to be happy this autumn. Definitely go check it out. We need it right now, don't we, guys? Okay, let that cook for about 5 minutes.
Can we look in the pot, Clodagh?
Come on over. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's cooking away. And this is what it looks like when it's cooked. Look at this. Oh, yum, look at that. Okay, I'm going to get a bowl. I'm going to walk behind you, Al, or I'll walk in front of you. And let me get this. Look at this. Hearty and delicious. So guys, my book, Clodah's Weeknight Kitchen, which is available now to pre-order, and it'll be with you next week, is full of simple, delicious, one-pot suppers, quick fixes, store cupboard standbys, one and dones. And one and dones are like all delicious casseroles and hearty things you can actually do in one pot. I don't know about you, I find those so easy, but okay,
yum.
This is making today feel a little better. Doesn't that smell nice, Hal?
Yeah, it smells delicious. And
Hearty.
we'll pop below that people can cook along with you next week, Chloe, yeah?
Oh my God, yeah. So we've got the cook along on the 29th. Is to celebrate the publication of the book date. And so guys, all you have to do is just take a picture of your receipt from Amazon or wherever it is that you bought the book. You upload it, just go on to the profile on my Instagram, or else go on the link below if you're watching on YouTube, and it'll take you directly to the link so you can sign up to do the cook along with me. We've got 100 places, I think there's a few places left. We can do a virtual cook along together. Shlong, hope you're all well. Send you all so much love wherever you are, especially to Ireland, who goes into lockdown today.